Hello, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. And yes, and we can't find any more tickets. All tickets are sold out. And today is final match of Myanmar and Nepal. In between Myanmar and Nepal, and we do have around 9 people, or 9 or 10. So yeah, all tickets are sold out. That's really crazy, guys. And finally, we have got some tickets. Hope we can go inside and find some place to sit. It seems like all seats are already booked and already crowded. Hope we can find some place to sit so we can enjoy the match today, guys. Let's go. You can see our army here. हाम्रो छिर्नु दिँदैन ल तनाव भयो नि त Hello, hello, hello. Can you hear the voice I'm talking about? Let's see if voice is recorded or not. Okay, guys, welcome back. I'm recording again because previously I tried many times, but I feel like there is no audio on it. So I'm recording again, guys. So you can see the crowd here. Wow, too many crowds, and I'm here to give the ticket to Omdai because he is late today as well, and too crowded. Okay. Oh, कुरा छोडिदिनु. Okay, guys. Finally, Omdai is here. He took so long every time. Okay. Right. So, what the hell? So bad here, guys. You can't go anywhere also. And the management here is too bad. And Dasrat Rangashala management, management is too bad. Hey, उतै छेउमै जाउँ अझै उता हो ल दाइ फाइनली हामी बस्यौँ है दाइ हजुर आए है ओइ होइन यसले चाहिँ okay guys okay finally I got some time to talk because it's really hard to talk because my mind was not but because my mind was disturbed uh, yeah you can see today is the final match between Myanmar and Nepal women football match and you can see they are practicing there and it's around 5 something right now I think 6 o'clock the match will begin and it was really hard for us to get a place to sit and we wanted to sit somewhere in the middle place but we ended up sitting almost side of the stadium and of course all of people who have come here they have paid certain amount to enter the stadium but my personal opinion is that our management committee here, I don't think they have done a very good job here because uh, if you pay some amount, you should have. I think I personally think that you should get some uh, quality of service, but we don't see anything here. They don't treat you like you have paid something. They treat you like you came here for free. Most of the security, which I felt really bad. I don't know if it is necessary. What was it? Okay, our team here. Nepal, Nepal. Wow. Let's start, guys. Let's start. Oh, nice! Oh, oh. Go, go, go! Nepal! Nepal! Nice! Nice! Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Yeah. What are you? How? What are you feeling right now? Extremely nervous. My heart is beating like 140 beats per second. Oh my god! Hey, hey. Là Nathan, Nathan. Go lại, xin Nathan à? यताबाट चाहिँ खिच्नु पर्छ के त्यो लाउसलाई दिउँ लाउसलाई लाउसलाई दिउँ लाउसलाई दिउँ लाउसलाई ओके डन ल सिया ल यता 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 सुबी 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 लाउस ओके ल ल ल है रेडी 1 2 3 गो नमस्ते जल्दी तिम्रो हेराइले मन गन्नल दियो गीतै नआइराख्यो सुसे साइलेरीमा हप्परीको साइलेरीमा ढाले 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 म त ढाले 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 हत्तरीका साइलेरीमा हत्तरीका साइलेरीमा मलाई पल्लारे चाहिलोले पल्लारे चाहिलोले हत्तरीका साइलेरीमा Mata dale, 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 dale. Mata dale, 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 dale. Mata dale, dale. Ahora. Ah! 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 एकछिन भिड हुन्छ अहिले यहाँ गर्छ यहाँ अब के गर्ने आयो dissatisfied. So sad, guys. So sad. Myanmar won by 2 goals. Okay, guys. Okay. Okay, friends. Myanmar won by 2 goals. So sad. We couldn't even return a goal. Wow. I feel really bad today. Wow. So sad. Uh, I think almost there were more than 15,000 people supporting the Nepal, but we lost, guys. But that's fine. One team has to lose for sure, and we did it. And we need to improve our skills and come back strong again, guys. So, guys, game is over, and Nepali women team lost the match. I was a little bit uh, sad and angry when game was ended, but now I'm okay with my feeling because as a Nepali, of course, you feel heartbreaking in this kind of moment. That's all right. I think our team played their game, but Myanmar team was extraordinary. Their pass was accurate. They played aggressive, and they were so fast. We saw that when our team was trying to pass, yeah, it was like not so easy for our team to play with them. But that's all right. Of course, in a game, of course, one team has to, or weak team has to lose for sure on that day. But we wish our Nepali women football team good luck and all the best for their future upcoming games. And of course, congratulations for Myanmar women football team. You guys are amazing, and you guys showed your skills, even though all crowd were shouting Nepal or cheering up Nepali team. You guys didn't hesitate to score 2 goals against us. So congratulations, guys. So guys, we also enjoyed first half of the game, but second half of the game, we went through a lot of dissatisfaction. So guys, I think this video will end up here, and we will see you again in next vlog. And I hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and we will see you in the next vlog, guys. So don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Bye bye, guys.